Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture of the way to handle the slowness in our system or laptop. Many of us are facing an issue that our operating system, the Windows, is loading very slowly, which disturbs our workflow. I'm going to give a simple solution to handle this issue. Go to your taskbar, go to your taskbar and right click it. And go to your taskbar and right click it. A pop-up menu will appear like this. In this pop-up menu, choose Task Manager. I'm right clicking and choosing the Task Manager. Task Manager, which contain various tabs like process, performance, app history, startup, users, details, services. So in this tab, choose startup. Choose startup. In startup, we are able to find various applications which contain name, publisher, status and status impact. So name of the application, company, publisher means the company which created the application, status is enabled or disabled, startup impact is not measured or none. So likewise will contain a set of items. So this is the set of applications. That means that whatever applications the status is enabled, that means that these applications are loaded with the Windows. When we are having a more application are enabled, then our operating system will become slow. So how to handle this? We have to find applications which we feel that is not necessarily to be loaded while our operating system is loading, and we have to disable these applications. So what I'm doing, I'm checking the application. Okay, I'm checking various applications. So I'm finding applications like first DVD player startup utility. Okay, then I want to disable it. So it is enabled now. It is enabled now. So I want to disable it. To disable it, I have to choose this. I have a button in the bottom right corner. Okay, I have a button in the bottom right corner. Okay, here when the status is enabled, the button is displayed disabled. That means that by clicking the button, we are able to disable the application. Okay, I am disabling it. Once it is disabled, the status of the button has changed to enable. That means that if you click it again, this application will be enabled. So now I have disabled the DVD startup utility. Okay, so I'm checking. So I find Opera browser assistant. Okay, I don't want to, it should be loaded along with my operating system. So I'm going to the another method to disable it. I'm going to the, okay, selecting the item and right clicking it. I will have a pop-up menu which contain disable. That means that I'm able to disable it. Okay, so right click and disable. So I have I'm disabling. Okay, should not disable the items of the Microsoft Corporation. So I have to choose the Opera software and I am disabling it. Okay, so this is another method. You have to right click, pop-up menu will appear. You are able to enable or disable it. Okay, when status is disabled, we are able to enable, and status is enabled, we are able to disable it. Okay, now I have disabled, okay, the DVD player startup utility and as well as Opera. I'm checking continuously. So I want Skype. Okay, Skype to be disabled. Okay, so right click. I'm disabling Skype. So I have disabled the three applications. So the applications DVD player and Opera, DVD player, Opera, browser assistant and Skype won't load it hereafter until I am enabled again. Okay, so I optimized, okay, this set of applications. I reduced three applications, okay, which are not loaded along with the Windows. This will improve the performance. While disabling, you have to keep something in your mind. You should not disable some applications. That means the applications which are published by the Microsoft Corporation. For example, see the publisher, whatever applications published by the Microsoft Corporation, please don't disable it. Along with this, you should not disable your antivirus software. That must be loaded along with your Windows. For example, the default Windows security notification, I'm not disabling it. Likewise, if you have any antivirus software, you should not disable it. Okay, by disabling the unnecessary applications, we are able to make the operating system to be loaded much faster, okay, than the previous slowness. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video lecture. Those yet to subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel for the continuous updates. Thank you.